What do you got?
Oh, butterflies.
We never have enough of those.
She doesn't have any.
Yeah, that's better.
No, what you got?
Everybody else way.
She wants to know where that tag went.
That looks clean, huh?
Give me a tag.
Yep.
How about a book? Here, look at the book. Fingers and toes.
Oh, look.
Ooh.
I bet she will.
First thing I got was one of those cardboard books.
And they eat it.
She ate the binder.
Yeah.
Yeah, glue on the binder is really good.
Everything goes in their mouth. if
Look,
that
messy
is-
girl. Look, messy girl.
What else?
That's good. Now she's good.
There you go.
Aw.
out, I get more.
She'll get the hang of it.
Like, okay, the bag's empty, take it. Look.
I haven't
How
thought.
cute is the baby girl?
Say, I'm going to be the best well-dressed baby in Gainesville.